Hello and welcome to episode 1 or 2 of the Shotcut video editing tutorial series. So in this video I'm just going to talk you through creating a new project and the settings that you should use. So we created the shortcut in the previous video. So to open the program, simply double click that, wait for it to open, and you'll get this window. It might be slightly different, but don't worry, all you need is this box here. If you've never had Shotcut installed before, which you probably haven't, this recent projects window will be empty. Don't worry about this. I've got a few there that I'll blur out, but yeah, that'll be empty for you. So, projects folder. This is where the project will be saved. I've already created one for this video, so that's why it's called that one. But you can choose anywhere on your computer to save these. I've chosen my videos folder, but it's completely up to you where you decide. Then once you've decided, so wherever you want, I'm just going to do this as an example. If I choose my pictures, simply click select folder. I'm not going to do this because I think it's going to move all of my projects into there, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to choose the videos and select folder. So there you go. Then the project name. This is just what the project will be called. This is not what the video that you finally export will be called. You can choose its own name for that. This is just what the project itself will be called, so you can remember what you're working on. So I called this one Shotcut Tutorial Episode 2. .mlt is the file extension that Shotcut uses. And finally, the video mode. Now, I'm going to give you some guidelines to use here. And by no means am I a professional video editor or filmmaker, but these are just my recommendations. So, if you're doing gaming videos, I would suggest 1080p 60 FPS, or if you have a high-end PC, 2160p 60 FPS, which is 4K 60 FPS. If you're making tutorial videos like this, then I always use 1080p 60 FPS, because 4K 60 FPS is just bigger file sizes, and I don't need that. If you're making professional films, in that case I'd guess you'd have better software and paid software like After Effects and stuff, but here we are. I'd suggest 4K 24 FPS, or in another case 24 FPS 1080p, but if you can, 4K. If you don't know and you just want to let Shotcut decide for you, choose the automatic option, and it says here, automatic means the resolution and frame rate are based on the first file you add to your project. If the first file is not a video clip, for example an image or audio, then it'll be 1080p 25 FPS. So basically what that means is the first file, a video, that you put into the timeline, the entire project will be based on that. So if you import a 4K 60 FPS video, the entire project will be 4K 60 FPS. You can change that in the exporting part, which I'll get onto in another video, but that's what the project will be based on, and that's what it will try to render in the viewfinder. So that's all you need to know for those, and once you've named it, I'll just name this something random, but you can name whatever you want. And by the way, this is not what the final video will be called. You can choose that yourself in the exporting. And then once that's done, simply click start. And there you go. You now have a project saved. So if I go into my files, there it is. It creates it there. This is the directory that I chose, videos, and it is there. So there you go. That's how to create a project. In the next video, I'm going to walk you through organizing the interface and what you can do to make it easier. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.